Welcome to Lingualens. Today we are going to test your French level with a full set of questions all about family members. This topic looks simple, but trust me, French can get surprisingly tricky when it comes to relatives, step relatives, and who belongs where in the family tree. You'll answer 15 questions, 5 beginner, 5 intermediate, and 5 advanced. Each question comes with 3 choices, and after you choose, I'll explain exactly why one answer is correct, and just as importantly, why the other 2 are not. By the end of the video, you'll know your actual level, and you'll also understand real grammar and vocabulary that French learners often get wrong. So grab a notebook or your imaginary French step uncle, and let's get started. Question number 1. How do you say my mother in French? The correct answer is A. Ma mère. Mère is a feminine singular noun, so it must use ma. In French, possessive adjectives must agree with the gender and number of the noun, not the speaker. Mon is masculine. Using it for a feminine noun, unless it starts with a vowel, is incorrect. Mais is plural. Mother is singular. Question number 2. Which word means brother? The correct answer is B. Frère. Frère directly translates to brother in English. Sœur means sister, so not the same family member. Oncle means uncle. Question number 3. How do you say this is my family? The correct answer is A. C'est ma famille. C'est plus noun is the natural French way to introduce something or someone. It literally means this is my family. B means I am my family, which is nonsensical. C means he is my family, which doesn't translate the intended idea. Question number 4. Which one means parents? The correct answer is A. Les parents. In French, les parents refers to mother and father, just like in English. Les enfants means children. Les amis means friends. Question number 5. What is grandmother in French? The correct answer is B. La grand-mère. Grand-mère literally means great mother, and it is the standard word for grandmother. La tante means aunt. La belle-mère means stepmother or mother-in-law. And now the intermediate questions. Question number 6. How do you say my younger sister in French? The correct answer is B. Ma petite sœur. French places most adjectives before the noun, including petit or petite. Ma petite sœur is the idiomatic way to say my little younger sister. A is grammatically possible but sounds unnatural and clunky. C is incorrect word order. French does not place adjectives this way in this context. Question number 7. Which sentence means I have 3 cousins? The correct answer is B. J'ai 3 cousins. Possession uses avoir to have in French. The structure is subject plus verb plus quantity plus noun. A uses être, which expresses identity, not possession. C is incorrect word order. Question number 8. How do you say her father's name is Mark? Père is masculine. It must be preceded by son, even if the owner is a female. French possessives depends on the gender of the possessed object, not the possessor. Ça cannot be used with a masculine noun. The L is grammatically incorrect, should be del, but even then it's unnatural here. Question number 9. Which one means stepfather? The correct answer is C, le beau-père. Beau-père can mean stepfather or father-in-law, depending on context. A means grandfather, B means uncle. Question number 10. What does fils unique mean? The correct answer is A, only son. Fils means son, unique means only. Combined, it means only son. B is misleading. Youngest son is le plus jeune fils. C is the feminine form and it would be fille unique. And now let's go with the advanced questions. Question number 11. Which sentence is the most natural French to talk about siblings? The correct answer is A. Je n'ai ni frère ni sœur. This is the standard idiomatic structure to say I have neither brother nor sister. The construction ni replaces ne pas when listing multiple items. B is an incorrect structure. We must use de after negation, pas de. C means I'm not with brother and sister, which changes the meaning entirely. Question number 12. Which one correctly expresses possession? The correct answer is C. La sœur de Paul est gentille. French expresses possession using de plus the person's name, equivalent to English Paul's sister. A Paul is a common learner mistake, incorrect in this context. B. The word order is completely broken. Question number 13. What does les aînés de la famille refer to? The correct answer is C, the oldest children. Aîné means elder, so the phrase refers to the eldest siblings. A. The youngest are les cadets. The grandparents are les grands-parents. Question number 14. Which form is correct to say she is my mother-in-law? The correct answer is B. Elle est ma belle-mère. Belle-mère is the established term for mother-in-law or stepmother. French places the adjective belle before mère in this compound noun. A is in correct order and meaning. C means my mother is beautiful. Last question. Which complex sentence is grammatically correct? The correct answer is A. C'est lui dont la sœur habite à Paris. Dont is the correct relative pronoun, meaning whose in this structure. The sentence literally means he is the one whose sister lives in Paris. The key is grammatically possible in other contexts, but unnatural here. Que cannot replace dont when expressing possession. Great job! You've reached the end of the French family members test. Let's check your level. If you get between 0 to 5 correct, you're still a beginner, but you've built a solid foundation. Keep going! If you've got between 6 to 10 correct answers, you're intermediate and you understand more French than you think. If you get between 11 to 15 correct answers, impressive. You're at an advanced level when it comes to family vocabulary and grammar. If you enjoyed this test, make sure to subscribe to Lingualens. I post new videos regularly, quizzes, vocabulary challenges, grammar breakdowns, and interactive lessons, all designed to help you learn French step by step. Tell me in the comments which topic you want the next test to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. À bientôt!